have very important command WC. Okay, WC, what it does, it is a command for word count. Okay, so this is very helpful in various places. Let's say you want to find how many times a particular pattern is getting repeated in a file. You want to see a count, you want to see a detail or something like that. So word count is utilized in those places. Okay, so what it will do, let's say if I just directly give a word count here, mostly we use with other commands. Let's say if I do names.txt, so it will show me how many characters, total characters are there, how many lines are there, and how many words are there. Okay, it will show me all those details here, the WC command in a file. If I just want to see how many lines are there in a file, so then you have to use L command only to see the lines. So WC -L and lines. So 27 lines are there. So the same thing it was showing earlier also. So now it is only giving me the number of lines here. Same way, if you want to find out the number of words, okay, what are the number of words in the file? So WC-W name. So total words in the file are 50. Okay, now if I want to see how many bytes are there, I think older slide is this. Okay, so C will show you the bytes. Okay, C, here it's C. So it will show me total character I have 337, or the bytes. Okay, byte counts. See, you have 337 here for number of characters. Characters means all the letters that you are seeing, M, A, I. So it will count everything. Space, even space is counted here. So it will show you all the specified characters there. Now if you are doing something like directory, let's say, why don't I just, can I get the number of files inside a directory? If I just do WC this, yes, no, in directory it doesn't work. It will not find. Okay, it will try to find it as a file. So there is no such file. It will, and it will tell it is a directory. Okay, how many files are there? Now very good example of this, I have these many files, right? Now I have to count how many files are there in my this. How can I find? Using WC. So very simple example is ls-ltr WC and lines. Each line will represent one file, right? Each line is representing one file. So total number of files or total directories, files including directories, would be 52 here, right? But here is a catch here. If you see, it is also giving one more line, total 220. Okay, that is the internal system details that it gives. And when WC is running, so actually if I just go ahead and copy these, let's say I copy it in a new tab here. Sorry. Total it's 51 files only, and it is giving me total as 52. Now what to do? Okay, so when you see, whenever you are doing ls-ltr, you see this line total will always come there. Okay, in any directory if you are, let's say I go to this directory also, if I do ls-ltr, it will show total there. Okay, so if I don't want to see total, what can I do? Can I write something like this? Will this work? What will it do? grep-v, what does it do? V will, what V does? V will, normally grep is used to search a pattern. So now when I am giving V means it will do vice versa. Wherever it will match this pattern, it will not display that. Apart from that, everything it will display. Right? So just do it. See, now when I am doing it, what it will do? It is not printing me anything here. See, total is not there. Now after this, if I do WC-L, do I get the correct line? So it is up to you, like how you have to use which command where. Now see, the same thing can be done with one more way. let's say if I just do ls command, from here can we find out total? What we can do, ls, right, wc hyphen w. See, this is also giving me the same result, 51, in a smaller way. Grep hyphen I, and I just search for name Himanshu. How many times it comes? wc hyphen n. Sorry, I have not given the file name. Names dot txt. So it will say 4 lines. I can see Himanshu is there. Okay, but if I do just think, if I do word count, so there are 7 times where Himanshu is written. Okay, so there is a difference in this. This will give you the lines. So if you see the tail, you see 4 lines where Himanshu is there, so it is giving 4 when I'm checking the lines, but when I'm checking the word count, it will give me 7. So 7 times Himanshu is there. So I have told grep to check for case insensitive, so don't check for any case whether capital or small, search for all. So that's why it has given me 7. Many times it is also used in real time. Let's say you have a log file, okay, and you want to just see if there are some occurrences of error or warnings, and you say, okay, if you know that, okay, 1 or 2 times the error will come, that is fine. But if you know, okay, error is continuously coming for 3, 4, 5, 6 n number of times, so it should give me a mail. So there also it is very beneficial. From a file you can find out how many times how many lines the error was coming, and if it is, let's say, more than 5, more than 6, it should send me a mail or something. So that you can also do.